Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name's Brooke. I make drinks and stuff, so if you're interested in that, then you should subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a strawberry matcha. Now, I looked it up and I've seen a lot of people making strawberry matcha with like pureed strawberries and stuff. Definitely healthier than what we're going to be making today. But what we're going to be making today is like easier to get your hands on. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be using Nesquik powder. It's not healthy. I know that. I'm sorry. I usually try and be like health conscious with like my videos where I use maple syrup and like stuff like that to make the drink so it's not as like terribly bad for you as like artificial sweeteners, but like Nesquik is like artificially flavored, so I'm sorry. But we're going to be using that today. We're going to make an exception. So what you're going to need to make this strawberry matcha is you're going to need Nesquik strawberry milk mix. You're going to need milk of your choice, whether it be dairy or non-dairy. I'm going to use almond milk today, and I'm using the 3 Trees almond milk, which is like my favorite almond milk of like all time. It's so good. And it doesn't have any oils or anything in there. It's literally just filtered water, almonds, vanilla extract, and vanilla beans. Like, you really can't beat that, especially for like a nut milk. A lot of them have a lot of emulsifiers and stuff, but besides that, you're going to need a heavy cream, whether it be a dairy heavy cream or a dairy alternative. It doesn't matter. It'll work the same. You can even use like oat milk. Just need something thick and creamy that you can like foam, basically. You're obviously going to be needing matcha because we're making matcha. The matcha I use is the Matcha Matcha. I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. That's what the matcha looks like. So yeah, and then you're going to need water, a hand frother like this one. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can just mix it with like a whisk or something. You know, make do with what you have. But, oh, and you're going to need a teaspoon measuring thing. So yeah, with all of that being said, if you guys are interested in learning how to make this strawberry matcha, then just keep watching. Yes, I'm going to be using almond milk and dairy heavy cream. That's just what I like. It's my personal preference. If you have something to say about that, just stay in your lane, do what you need to do for you. First things first is you're going to need about a half of a teaspoon of matcha. You're just going to put it into there. And then you're going to need about a teaspoon of water and 3 teaspoons of heavy cream or the dairy substitute heavy cream. And you're just going to mix that up. So basically, we like made a cold foam with matcha powder. So next you're going to need 3 teaspoons of the strawberry milk powder. On the box it says the serving size is 2 tablespoons, but I just don't think we need that much. And then we're going to pour the milk that you choose into there. And you're going to take the hand mixer again, and if you don't have a hand mixer, you can literally just use a spoon. It's not that serious. And make your strawberry milk. Like I said, I know this isn't the healthiest option because like it has artificial flavoring in the Nesquik, but I just wanted to give you guys an easy, convenient option because I've seen a lot of people using like pureed strawberries, which is honestly such a healthy way to do it. I would totally do that, but I also want to give you guys a convenient way to make it in case you're in a rush or something. Now, I'm going to get some ice. We're going to put the ice. Now we're going to add the matcha foam to the top. this is what it looks like. So good. This video was a little messy, I'm sorry, but we got it done. So this is the strawberry matcha. It tastes really good, and despite the fact that I use Nesquik powder to make it, it still tastes good. You know, treat yourself every once in a while. It's obviously not the healthiest, but it tastes great. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down below if you guys have any video requests or video ideas, and I will do my best to make them or try to make them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, please subscribe. It helps me, and give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys have thought about it and if you try it out. So with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a great day, evening, night, wherever it is.